Hello my dear students. So welcome back to my geography class. As you all are aware that I am discussing chapter number 4, human development, from the book in human geography. So in our previous classes we have discussed about the differences between growth and development. We also discussed about what do we mean by human development. Okay, the scholars who came forward, okay, and they have given various definitions of human development and all. In my last class I discussed about the different pillars of human development. So the topic which I have chosen today to discuss with you all is the approaches to human development. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the different approaches to human development. So what are these approaches to human development actually? Okay, or what do we mean by approaches to human development? See, there are actually many ways of looking at the problems of human development. Okay, there are many ways of looking at the problems of human development, and the ways through which we can see the problems of human development are considered as the approaches. Okay, so basically 4 different approaches are there to understand the problem of human development. That is the income approach, the welfare approach, the basic need approach, and the capability approach. So these are the 4 different approaches to human development. Okay, so let us study in details about these 4 different approaches. Let us start with the income approach first. Okay, see, income approach is one of the oldest approach to study the problem of human development actually. Human development is actually considered as linked to the income of a people. Okay, basically the idea is that the level of income reflects the level of freedom an individual enjoys. It is said that if the level of income is higher, then the higher will be the level of human development. Okay, so this income approach was one of the oldest approach of human development. Okay, and in the true sense you may be seeing that there are many people, okay, there are many people who have better standard of livelihood, who enjoy a better standard of life. Okay, maybe because their level of income is higher. Okay, so this is why it is said here that income approach or the income is linked with human development. Higher the level of income is the higher the level of human development. Okay, and it's somehow true, because if people is having like their income is more, then they can purchase the goods and all for their better standard of life. Okay, they can afford the various facilities, okay, which they require for better human development and all. Okay, but in some cases income is not always related to human development. Okay, see the next one, welfare approach. Welfare approach is the second approaches to human development. This approach looks at human beings as beneficiaries or the targets of all developmental activities. Okay, so the human beings are basically considered as the beneficiaries of any kind of developmental activities. For example, the government is spending lot of money, okay, for the development of the education sector, for the development of the health, okay, for the development of the infrastructural facilities, etc. So this all facilities which is being provided to the people, okay, the people must enjoy, okay, such facilities actually. Okay, so this in welfare approach basically argues that the government must spend more amount of money. The government must spend more amount of money in the field of education, in the field of health, secondary, social secondary, and amenities and all. Okay, so people are not participants in development but only passive recipients actually. So in the process of development, people are not only participants but they are also the recipients, because whatever opportunities are being provided by the government, the people are there who are there to receive the facilities of those opportunities. The people are there to enjoy the facilities provided by the government. Okay, the government is responsible for increasing level of human development by maximizing expenditure on the welfare of the people. Okay, so basically you will be seeing that the countries which are having a higher level of human development, in those countries the government has put more focus, or the government has invested more amount of money in the health sector, education sector, infrastructural development and all. Okay, which provides better facilities to the human beings and all. Okay, so it is the need, okay, it is the need that the government must spend more amount of money on the developmental activities, on the social facilities and also that the people they enjoy maximum opportunities. Okay, they enjoy maximum facilities from the side of the government. The next one, basic need approach. This approach, or the basic need approach, was initially proposed by the International Labour Organization. According to the International Labour Organization, there are 6 basic needs which a human being need actually. Okay, a human being requires better health facilities, better education facilities, food, water supply, sanitation and housing. These are the main things which a human being need for living a better standard of life. So according to the International Labour Organization, okay, if these 6 basic needs are being provided to the human beings, okay, is provided to the people, they will enjoy a better standard of life and it will help in increasing the level of human development. The question of human choices is ignored over here. Okay, the question of human choices is ignored over here, and the emphasis is mainly given on the provision of the basic needs of defined sections. Okay, basic needs means whatever people they need, the basic requirement of the groups of the people is being met, okay, through this basic need approach actually. The last one is the capability approach. Capability approach was introduced by Professor Amartya Sen. Okay, Professor Amartya Sen was a person who came up with this capability approach. He said that building human capabilities in the areas of health, education and access to resources is the key to increasing human development. So according to Professor Amartya Sen, we need to increase the capability of the people in the field of health, in the field of education and access to resources. If the capability of the people increases in these 3 fields, obviously the people will enjoy more freedom, the people will be more knowledgeable, the people will be more healthy and they can enjoy a better living standard, thereby increasing the level of human development. Okay, so this is what about the capability approach. Okay, so these were the 4 different approaches to study the problem of human development. Okay, so I hope you all are clear about the different approaches to study about the problems of human development. Okay, so thank you my dear students.